I'm so happy to be here again. This is a returning event for us, and it's really so energizing and so easy to quickly get what's the top topics and the key concerns in the markets, and we can respond to it. So what we do to light it up are two things. One is we have a fantastic interoperability demo featuring that our ONTs are interoperable with any OLT in the market, and we proof point it with 4 different brands here. We also have the fiber twist wall where you can check for yourself that it takes less than 30 seconds to install an ONT. So Genexis is a Swedish-Dutch company with a mission to bring the world to everyone's home. And we do this with open interoperable products. We have ONT, so network terminations. We have Wi-Fi gateways, and we have management systems. And at the key of everything we do is that it should be open and interoperable. We build on open source. We build all software in Europe, and we build our products and design our products in Europe. Next step is actually here. We had several of our customers, for example, Utopia were here, volunteering to do more features with us because they are such happy customers.